welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about the components of the LD switchgear. Uh, in last videos, I have explained all the topics in the fourth chapter of the BEE, which is electrical installations. So I have covered each and every topic in that chapter. You can watch my videos. I'll give all the links in the description box. Today I'm gonna tell you the components of the LD switchgears. So actually the components are of two types. One is a switch fuse unit and the other one is circuit breaker. Okay. The circuit breakers are classified into many other types, but today we will discuss about what are the switch fuse unit. Okay. Then in next videos I will tell you about the circuit breakers, type of circuit breakers, and everything in the fifth chapter of the BEE. So let's continue the video. Switch fuse unit. Fuse is a protective device which acts quickly in a short period of time. It's a type of protective device, just like in our day-to-day life, we use fuses in our houses to get rid of the overload or any power shortages. Okay, so to get rid of all this problem, we use it as a power or a safety device, which acts in a very short interval of time. Just like when a wrong current enters our mains or these junctions, then fuse automatically works in a very short period of time and splits or halves the mains. Okay, this is the fuse plays a crucial role in our day-to-day life. This is the first point. Next, it works in abnormal conditions, like blows and disconnect the circuit. This is the word point I had said before. When the fuse works, it works in the abnormal condition. What are the abnormal conditions? Blows and disconnects of the circuit. Okay, blows means what? Any short circuits or any overload. These are called the blows features. And disconnect means loose connections between the wires. Then there is a chance of getting a shortages. Okay. Next point. Fuse provides circuit protection by destroying itself. Okay. So what is a main feature of a fuse is it provides protection, but the disadvantage is it destroys itself. Then it gives protection. Okay. Next. This is all about the fuse. Now we will see about the switch case. What is a switch? Switch is used to isolate the circuit from supply purposely for repair and maintenance. Okay, why do we use the switches? Actually, to on and off the supply or to operate itself quickly, so that we can make it pass electrons or not. We will choose by clicking switches. What is this isolate the circuit means? Isolate the circuit from supply means, what is meant by isolation? In corona time they had seen what is meant by isolation means. The this isolate meaning was very good configured in corona time. Okay, what does this isolate mean? Staying alone. Okay, the staying alone of a circuit is can be done only with the help of a switch. Okay, is it by using this switch we can think how, if we want to allow or we should not allow the current to flow. This These things we will all think by clicking the switches. Okay, purposely for from supply for repair for maintenance. Simple. Next, switch is operated manually. What is meant by operated manually means we can on and off the supply by handly purpose. We can on with hand, off with hand. Okay, it is handly, no. So this is called the meaning of the manually. Means it can be done with our hands also. Next, the main definition of this switch fuse unit is as this: a unit which consists of the combination of the fuse and a switch together is called a switch fuse unit. Okay, The combination of the switch and fuse is called what? Switch fuse unit. This is the practical diagram of the switch fuse unit. Here we have giving the input current, and here it is passing the output current. This is the fuse which is connected to the switch which is in open condition. If the wrong current flows through the switch fuse unit, it automatically opens without why does this opens? How this opens? Is there any superpower behind switch? No. When a wrong current enters, the fuse will get signals. Then it makes the switch to get open. Therefore, no short circuit or no any other prompts will happen. Okay, this is all about the switch fuse unit. Now see little advantages of a switch fuse unit. uh, the number of joints in the circuits are reduced. We know that in a circuits we will join one wire to another wire to another wire. In this way, then the circuit will be a great one. We will see and you'll get a fear. What is this circuit? Oh, like that. So if you want to reduce all the circuits, then we will use this switch fuse unit. Okay. Next, the second point is due to compact construction, less space is required. If we wanted to give supply and the current on and off conditions in the same way, it has less compact space of construction, then it can be easy to handle. It is manually handleable. Okay, this way. And the third point is the what I have said, easy for handling. As we think in a view of a handling purpose, it is very easy to handle it. Okay. Next, this is all about the switch fuse unit. I have already uploaded the videos of the fourth chapter of the BW, which is electrical installations. Now I am uploading the videos of the fifth chapter. So students, I will upload all the B-tech contents, all the B-tech, what are the needs of the B-tech also. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That who didn't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel so that and click the bell icon so that you are notified to my videos, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.